Have you ever laid in bed at night, desperate for even a few seconds of silence, but instead, all you can hear is that constant, high-pitched ringing in your ears? Have you ever tried covering your ears, changing your sleeping position, or even turning on background noise just to escape it, only to realize that no matter what you do, that sound is still there? Have you ever felt that wave of frustration or even panic when it hits you that the ringing isn't going away? What if I told you there's a simple, natural technique, one that takes less than a minute, that has helped thousands of people quiet that relentless noise, sometimes almost instantly? Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? But stay with me, because today on Golden Rest Guide, I'm going to walk you through this powerful method step by step. This isn't a gimmick. This isn't about pills or expensive hearing devices. This is a simple tapping technique that works with your body's own nervous system to bring relief. When I first shared this technique a few years ago, the response was overwhelming. People from all over the world wrote in to share how it changed their lives. But many of you never got the chance to see that original video, and some couldn't find it again. So today, I'm bringing it back, because the number of real success stories behind this method is simply too powerful to ignore. Before I show you exactly how it's done, let me share a few of those stories, because they'll give you hope and help you understand just how effective this can be. One person wrote, "I've had ringing in my ears for years. This morning it was really bad, and I just found this video. I immediately tried the technique, instant relief. It's not completely gone, but I do feel better." Another shared, "I've worked for years as a musician around loud music. I rated the ringing in my ear as a 5 before trying this. After 4 repetitions, I didn't notice much difference. But after 8 reps, the volume dropped and that sharp pitch disappeared completely. This gives me hope. Thank you for the video." Someone else said, "I've had ringing in my ears for at least 10 years. I swear I went from a 7 or 8 down to a 2 or 3 after doing this routine 3 times." Another comment said, "Oh my God, I've been dealing with 24/7 ringing for over 3 years. This lessened the ringing after the 4th round. I'm going to keep it going. Thank you." And finally, one message that truly stuck with me. "I could honestly cry. This actually helped me. I was just about to lose my mind and start panicking, and it actually went away. Thank you so much." Think about that for a moment. These are real people. Many of them had been suffering for years, and they found relief not through complex medical procedures, but by using a simple, natural technique. It's proof of just how powerful your body's built-in systems can be when you know how to work with them instead of against them. But before I teach you the exact steps, let's quickly understand what tinnitus really is, because when you understand the why, the how becomes a lot clearer. Tinnitus is the perception of sound when there's no actual external noise. The Latin word for tinnitus means to ring, and the Latin word for noise implies discomfort, injury, and damage. For many people, this ringing isn't just a small nuisance. It's constant, invasive, and emotionally draining. It can rob you of sleep, peace, focus, and quality of life. And here's the surprising part. Tinnitus usually isn't a problem inside the ear itself. The real issue often lies in the nervous system and how signals travel from your ear to your brain. Inside your ear are tiny receptors that pick up sound vibrations. Your ear converts these vibrations into electrical signals, which then travel through the 8th cranial nerve to your brain's auditory cortex, the region responsible for interpreting sound. Tinnitus occurs when there's a kind of short circuit or glitch along this pathway. Your brain starts misinterpreting irregular nerve signals as ringing, even though there's no real sound. So instead of trying to fix the ear, the key is to reset the nerve pathway that's sending those faulty signals. And that's exactly what this tapping method is designed to do. Here's how you do it. Take your index finger and place it on top of your middle finger. You're not flipping anyone off. This is simply the correct position for the tapping. Then, use a snapping motion to tap the back ridge of your skull, called the occiput. If you imagine drawing a straight line from your ear to the back of your head, that's the exact spot you want to tap. Using that snapping motion, tap firmly but gently around 20 times. This rhythmic tapping sends signals into the 8th cranial nerve, helping to reset the misfiring that's causing the ringing. Before you begin, rate your tinnitus from 0 to 10. 10 means it's extremely loud and disturbing. 0 means complete silence. Take a second and be honest with your number. It will help you measure your progress. After your first round of 20 taps, rate the ringing again. Did the number drop even slightly? For many people, it does. Repeat this cycle up to 8 times. Some notice changes after the first or second round. For others, the real relief kicks in around the 8th round, when that piercing noise finally starts to fade. This technique is completely free. It takes only a minute, and it has already helped countless people around the world reclaim moments of peace they thought were lost forever. If you're struggling with tinnitus, don't just live with it. Give this a real try. Be patient, stay consistent, and see how your body responds. And when you do, come back and share your before and after numbers in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else who's silently suffering and desperately looking for hope. Sometimes, the most life-changing solutions don't come from pills or surgeries. They come from understanding your body's natural mechanisms and using them the right way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to Golden Rest Guide for more natural, science-based health tips that can genuinely transform your daily life. And before you go, I want to know something special. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is right now. I love seeing our beautiful community from all around the world, different cities, different time zones, all connected by a single moment. Whether it's early morning, a quiet afternoon, or late at night, your presence here matters. So drop your city and your current time below, and let's see just how far this message reaches.